super quick protein shake. This is how I do it. I've got Raw Sport Banana Collagen Plus here. Really like this one because it's got protein, it's got hyaluronic acid, sage, ashwagandha, magnesium, B vitamins, all the prebiotics, probiotics, lots of good stuff. Then I add a plant-based milk. Because I'm adding a plant-based milk, I add a little bit of Lifestream calcium. This powder contains things like iodine, selenium, loads of calcium, zinc, I said selenium, zinc, iron, magnesium, all the things that you get in milk. So it's adding the minerals back again. So I really like that one. Then I add a couple of Brazil nuts because they've also got a bit of selenium in them, quite like that. And then I add lots of cacao, which I've just put away, I don't know why. Cacao is about 30% fibre, which I love. And it's full of magnesium, antioxidants, iron, so I really like that. And then I add some cacao nibs because it makes it a little bit crunchy. Also put them away, which was a bad move. Don't even know where I've put them. They have now evaporated in my cupboard. Can't even see them. Oh, there they are. So I'm adding some cacao nibs because I think that makes it crunchy. Then I'm going to add 3 or 4 ice cubes to chill it, because this is a naughty one, it hasn't got any fruit in it, it's got all the magnesium. Does that count? Kind of, and I'm going to whiz it up. But this is what it looks like. I've just made another one. It's not quite, here's one I prepared earlier, but I made one for my husband because I'm so nice. And that's what it looks like, and it just tastes delicious. It's just everything you want in the morning.